declaration following the High Court decision nullifying his initial declaration. However, the Azimio Brigade insists it's not over and soon will be heading in courts to challenge Speaker Wetangula's ruling, which they termed as impunity, which shouldn't be tolerated. Our senior political reporter Elizabeth Mutuku has the details.
After a long day of waiting to know who reigns as the majority in the National Assembly, finally Speaker Wetangula has upheld Kenya Kwanza Brigade as the majority as per the October 6, 2022 ruling, which established this.
Foregoing, the Kenya Kwanza coalition is the majority party, and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party is the minority party in the House.
In his ruling on implications of the court decision on the House proceedings, the Speaker cited the post-election agreements filed by the Registrar of Political Parties as a key factor in determining the majority status. Wetangula says as of today, Kenya Kwanza has 165 members, while Azimio has 154. Thus, the status quo remains in the House leadership as well as committees.
I still have a little more to go. I have not received any further communication from the Kenya Kwanza coalition replacing the member for Kikuyu, the member for Kilifi, the member for South Mugirango, and the member for Marsabit County as their preferred leadership in the House. Similarly, I have not received any communication from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party replacing the member for Suna East, the member for Kadiani, the member for Suba North, and the member for Embakasi West as their preferred leadership in the House.
However, the mover of the motion, Minority Whip and Suba South MP Millie Odhiambo, categorically stated of respecting the ruling, but with reservations which will form the basis of the next course of action.
Ngamatek is the strong man. You are stepping on my mother's toe. But I will respectfully tell you, Mr. Speaker, that I don't agree with you as a strong man, that you are stepping on my mother's toe. And as Azimio, we are going to take further action.
The Azimio Brigade vehemently opposed the Speaker's ruling, indicating that would soon head to courts, with Minority Leader Junet Mohamed stating it will not only be messy and noisy, but smelly as well.
This is not the end. We have withdrawn our members from the House Business Committee, and that's not the end.
Let us respect court orders. Court orders are not supposed to be debated and a question put in the House on court orders.
It is going to be messy, it is going to be noisy, and it's going to have casualties. I promise. And we can see it is getting smelly already.
The High Court 3-judge bench noted that Speaker Wetangula contradicted the Registrar of Political Parties, whose documents showed that Azimio had majority status in the year 2022 before 14 members jumped ship to the ruling party. Elizabeth Mutuku, TV 47, Nairobi.